Hello friends, how's everybody doing? I hope you are doing very well. My name is Josie. If you are new here, you are welcome. Today we're going to cast off my manta head fans, and I'm giving it a different name today. Super excited, so keep watching. I can see that my hands are really dry. I have to go do my nails. It doesn't look really nice at all. I'm planning on going to do it, but because of time, you know how busy moms are. I have 4 kids and this summer has been fun. I can't wait for my mom to come. I'm super excited for them coming this week. So let me go ahead and get some cream on my hands and we will get started. I hope everybody is doing very well. The cream that I'm using is Coconut Grove. I think one of my friends gave it to me. Yeah, so that's what I'm using today. So let me apply it on my hand to make my hand feel a little nice in the camera and also not too dry. So let's see. Yeah, I surely have to go do my nails. Probably tomorrow I will. Okay, so today I'm going to name my manta head fan Peace of Mind fan. I listened to this lady that she talks about money, and I love the way she explained if you want to get ahead with your money without no side hustle, like using your own income to stay ahead of about 44% of Americans who don't have $1,000. That alone give you the peace of mind. One of the things that she talks about was the manta head, but she called it peace of mind. He said that's the first thing you have to do when you are trying to get ahead in your finances, to get your peace of mind fund. So today I'm going ahead to name this Peace of Mind Fund. I'm thinking of doing a label and putting it at this binder, calling it a Peace of Mind Fund. So if you know, a manta head is the same thing. It's just like she said that it's one of the funds that is give you peace of mind when something happens, and that's the goal for manta head, so that in case something happens, you know that your bills are going to get paid within a month while you try looking for a job, while you try figuring out whether you're going to go back to work or not. And when I listen to her, I'm like, wow, that's really a nice idea. So I'm officially calling this binder Peace of Mind Funds. And today I'm going to do 2 of them. I'm kind of behind, so we're going to do 2 of them. I do have the list over here, as you can see. So mortgage is going to get $100 instead of $50. And I'm super excited about this money. I'm just so excited. So let me see. We do have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So we do have 9 because I added 2 today. I hope everybody's doing very well. The summer is going pretty well. I didn't have my mom and my sister around, so it was kind of nice, but not nice, because I have to take care of the 4 kids. Me and my husband have to figure out so many things, but it was a blessing. It was really a blessing. So, oh, why did I do that? I did 2 of them instead of 3. So let's raise this one. So now we're supposed to have 9. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2. Okay, so we have 9. Okay, so that's that one. So if you don't have your peace of mind fund, I urge you to do so. And I'm thinking of bringing a video to explain the step-by-step how to get a peace of mind fund. It's very not too stressful, not too, it's very, very easy to set it up. That's why I'm finding it difficult putting this in my store, but I'm going to put a digital of the progress in the store very soon, pretty much really, really soon. So today this one is getting $40. Oh, my bad, I didn't count the money, but that's okay. Let me separate them. But it's going to be $200 because each runs get $100. So I know I'm going to put in $200. So let me separate them quick. Then all these are ones. So that's okay. Okay, so this one, let's see, is getting $240, so $40 for this one because each leaf get each leaf get $20. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9. We've already done 9 leaf. Yeah, so I urge you to try this. Just follow along. You don't need any fancy stuff to do this. Just really pretty much follow along what I'm doing, and it's very, very easy. I have a video that I show how I set it up, but I think I need to do like a detailed video to show step by step. And for those of you who don't have this, might also set it up. Okay, then the next one is gas. Gas is getting $5, so it's gonna get 10. So it's gonna be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I hope everybody is doing very well. I'm pretty sure I've asked it, but I just want to check up on you. I hope you are doing very well. How is your summer coming? Leave in the comment how your summer is coming up. Mine is being fabulous. So grateful to be alive. I'm telling you, if not by God's grace, I don't think we will be here by now. Okay, then for car insurance is getting $6 each, so I'm gonna do 12. Okay, let me arrange it a little bit. So it's gonna be 6 times 9, so that will be 54. So 20, 30, 40, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I got it right. 30, 40. Yeah, 50, 54. So that's $54. Okay, so that's that. And for the month ahead binder or peace of mind, you just need your essentials, the ones that you know definitely in case something happen, you really have to pay for it. Not the fancy bag that you want to go buy, not the makeups that you want to go buy, the essential, or mortgage, your food, your gas, your insurance. Like we have our phone bill because I need my phones to film a video and all that, so I need it. So, and we need it to communicate as well. So this one get $4, so I'm gonna do 8. So 8 times 9, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 8 times 9 No, 4 times 9 is gonna be 36. So 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So 36. So you're really, normally I would tell people they are fixed expenses. The expenses that they know they cannot do nothing about it. When the month comes and they don't pay, they will be in trouble. And mortgage is a very good example when it comes to this. The next one is my electricity bill. Of course, we have to pay that. I know we won't get light. So that one is also getting $8. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's $8. And I'm pretty sure that's also $36. Okay, and this one is $6. Because each of them get $3. So 6 times 6 is supposed to be 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 27. I'm sorry. So 3 times 9, because we've done 9 is 27. I don't know why it is 6 times 6 is 36. This one is also the same. $6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Also $27. I'm not gonna count it, so. Then this one is Apple One. It's getting $2. And that one is supposed to be $9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then we have miscellaneous. Miscellaneous will cover the stuff that I didn't put it in, but it comes up when I'm done with all this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that one is supposed to be 4 times 9, 36. Which 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 36. So that's all for my peace of mind, fans. And I'm really excited. Like I said, really excited. And I'm going to take this serious because that's the first thing literally everybody has to do if they are taking care of their finance, to make at least be a month ahead for your essentials, your important stuff. In case something happened, these funds you get money to pay within a month while you try looking for another job or figuring it out. So super excited about that. So that's all for today's video. I hope everybody is doing very well. I hope you're having a nice time in the summer. Thank you for watching me today. I really appreciate all my new subscribers. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to share. Don't forget to tell other people to check my channel out. If you haven't subscribed yet, thank you so much for subscribing for the first time. And for my OG, you guys know I love you guys so much. I'll see you in my next video. Go and be grateful. Bye.